All right, I've got this 42-inch Toro z4200. This is a Timecutter. It's got your deck adjustment over on the side here, automatic e-brake when the wings are out. Pretty clean little mower, other than the deck has had some repairs. You can see here where it's been welded, and in the back right there it's been welded. It's very strong now, doesn't rattle or shake or anything like that. Spindles are all good on it. Good belt. 19 horsepower Kohler. Runs good. No smoking, no vibrating. Nothing weird about it. Good tires on it. Everything holds air. Front tires are brand new. Back tires have good tread. I'll start it up. Fires right up. Very smooth. No smoke at all. Blades. No rattling or anything. Nice smooth. Forward. Reverse. Sorry, dropped my camera. Reverse. Left. Right. Idle it down for you. Idle smooth. No smoke, no problems. Good mower.